Hi! Samahan niyo ako ngayon sa Coronation Night ng Miss Diangdang 2026. Let's go! Hi mga bed! This is Shannon, an online seller, pajitera, and now first-year marketing management student. So for today's video is the Coronation Night for Miss Diangdang 2026. So mga bed, pasensya na kayo dahil dito ko nasisimulan ang journey na to kasi kanina hindi na ako nakapag-video sa bilis ng mga pangyayari. Buti na lang dahil pumasok yung mother ko sa backstage at na-videohan ako. So 7:45 PM nga mga be ay tinatawag na kaming mga candidates. Kaya naman igot-igot na dyan si Mami Joms mag-hair sa kuya. And makikita nyo naman ang looks ko ay kinakabahan na ako dyan mga be. Kahit pajitera tayo ay kinakabahan pa rin ako. Lalo na wala akong masyadong training for this pageant. So dito nga mga be ay sinisimula na yung program. And sa part na to ay recognition na ng mga judges. And this is the crowd kagabi. Maraming salamat sa mga pumunta at sumuporta sa kanilang mga kandidata. At ayan mga be, as you can see, pasabog ang stage namin ngayon. Bet ko siya and napakaganda ng design. So dito mga be, sunod-sunod na yung self-introduction, production number, and advocacy speech.
Shannon Layosa o Shana, 18, Barangay Pakol.
And this time mga be ay medyo nagkaroon ng technical issue. So nasa iyo pa nga kaming mga nasa unahan dyan kasi akala namin babalik lang agad. Kaya yon pinababa muna kami and after few minutes ay naibalik din agad. Kaya naman syempre tuloy ang laban. Diba? Kita nyo yon, ako yun mga be. Pero syempre dead ma lang at tuloy ang laban. Kaya kayo, lalo na yung mga young girls na gusto rin magsali sa pageant, huwag kayong matakot na bumangon. Smile and be just confident on the stage. At ayan mga be, kung makikita nyo, lahat kami ay napakaganda sa stage.
Good evening. Again, I am Shannon Layosa Shana and my heart beats for youth volunteerism for community development. I believe that leadership is not defined by a crown, but by the willingness to serve. As the young people, we do not need to wait for recognition to make a difference. Because through a simple yet a meaningful actions of volunteering, we became active builders of change. And this advocacy is doable because it begins where we are and what we already have as a youth. Our time, our energy, and our heart. In this time, I am not just here to make a promise for tomorrow, but I am here to show you that I am a young woman who is already living this advocacy today. Thank you.
And after of our advocacy speech ay the first set of corporate awards. And thank you so much po pala sa sponsors ko. First ay si Ma'am Shela Imperial, owner of Aragon Printing Center and ang BR Andes General Enterprise. And syempre hindi lang yan dahil gusto ko rin kayong pasalamatan dahil sa suporta na binigay nyo sa akin. Una, thank you so much po sa Sangguniang Kabataan ng Pakol, my friends, family, and of course, my parents. So sa part nga na to mga be ay ina-awardan na yung mga Skate Choice Award. Sa pagpili pala ng award na to ay nagpa-interview sila. At ngayon mga be, awarded tayo as the most articulate award. Medyo na-pressure po ako dito ha. Pero syempre, I am very grateful for this award. And ayan mga be, wag na natin tong patagalin and move na tayo sa next segment which is the swimsuit competition.
Shannon o Shana? She's representing Barangay Pakol. She measures 30, 23, 32.
is the question and answer portion, mga be. And medyo kinakabahan na ako!
Thank you for that question. Example of that question is like this kind of platform. I have always believed that beauty pageants just like this is a good platform for us women to share our stories, to share our purpose, and to share our values as a woman. Because nowadays, beauty pageants are no longer about physical beauty or physical aspect of a woman. It is now about on how we are going to show inspiration, courage, and the power to inspire others. And as a candidate, I know that I am not just here to participate, but I am here championing my advocacy and championing my purpose.
Yan, dito mga be ay nawala na ako. Kasi dito, dapat sasagutin ko na yung mismong question. Inaalala ko dito mga be, yung keywords ko sa question, which is yung titles tapos degree. Hindi ko na siya maalala at nawala na ako sa focus. Kaya yun mga be, ay inend ko na lang yung sagot ko sa how pageantry gives inspiration to us as candidates. Diba okay na sana? Kasi hindi ko talaga nasagot yung question mga be.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much! Candidate number 4.
And the second to the last segment is the long gown competition. Yung mga bata pala mga be sa backstage ay tinatawag akong Cinderella because of this gown.
Designer, Jo Marie Azuria Sea.
After ng aming long gown competition, serenade na. After nyan is announcement na of the top 5 finalists. And unfortunately, I am not in the top 5. Of course, that is okay. And as a pageantera, sanay na ako sa cycle na win or lose. And yeah, everything happens for a reason and the night was not meant for me. And this just shows that I still have a lot to improve. And lastly, I want to thank the organizers of this pageant for allowing me to join. Such a big opportunity for me as a pageantera, and syempre hindi ko pwedeng kalimutan ang aking handler, Mami Jooms, and ang aking makeup artist na si Mami Nord. Thank you so much for your pangmalakasan na effort and love. So this ends my journey for Miss Dayangdang 2026 mga be. Thank you so much again for your love, support, and encouragements for my journey on this pageant. Bye and see you to my next pageant vlog.